how to solve 4 to the power x is equal to 12. Now I describe what is the value of x. First of all, 4 to the power x is equal to 3 times 4. Then log 4 to the power x is equal to log 3 times 4. Then x come to the base, so x log 4 is equal to log 3 plus log 4. Both sides are divided by log 4 divided by log 4. Log 4 will be cancelled. So x is equal to log 3 divided by log 4 plus log 4 divided by log 4. Log 4 will be cancelled. So x is equal to log 3 divided by log 4 plus 1. So x is equal to log 3 base of 4 plus 1. So this is the value of x. We got it. How to simplify 8 to the power 10 plus 8 to the power 10 is equal to what? First of all, we take 8 to the power 10, first bracket start, 8 to the power 10 divided by 8 to the power 10, that means 1 plus, and same as 8 to the power 10 plus 8 to the power divided by 8 to the power 10, that means 1. So 8 to the power 10 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket 10 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Then 2 to the power 3 times 10, that means 30 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Then we can see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 is common, then power 30 plus power 1. Then 2 to the power 30 plus 1, that means 31. So 2 to the power 31 is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.